Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, March 3rd, 2023. I hope you're having an awesome day. I finally did it. I finally ranked up to gold, all right? So I'm super proud of this moment. I'm super excited about it, and I just couldn't be happier than this. So it just goes to show, like I said over here in my Facebook post, ranking up 3 times in 10 weeks proves hard work and consistency pays off. So don't give up on LiveGood. Don't give up on yourself. Just keep trucking through whatever comes your way, and you're going to get there, okay? I promise you that. If you look back here in my back office, you can see that my current rank is gold. All right, I have 23 out of the 100 needed for personally enrolled people to rank up to platinum. I have a team of 508 so far, and the total needed for platinum is 500, so I have that checked off. And then I have 1 of 3 legs with gold needed for platinum. So either I have to recruit 77 more people, which I'm going to do regardless, or I need 2 more legs with gold in them this month to rank up to platinum. All right, so that is my goal. That is what I'm working towards. And, you know, again, you just got to stay consistent. Whatever you're doing, just stay consistent with it. All right, it absolutely works. All right, so I'm just going to show you the 6 ways you can earn income with LiveGood, okay? We have the weekly Fast Start commissions where you earn 50% of all of your personal enrollees, all right? So it's $49.95 to start. You're going to make a $25 commission that's paid out the following week. Now, once you get 2 people under you, you become a bronze, and you open up the second level where you earn 10% of everyone that your referrals bring in, okay? As a silver, you're going to open up levels 3 and 4 at 5%. At gold, you're going to open up levels 5 and 6 at 3 and 2%. And then you can see platinum here, and diamond pays all the way down 10 levels deep. All right? So the most important rank in this company when you're first starting out is to get to bronze. That's inviting 2 people. You can get your spouse, you can get your boyfriend or girlfriend, you can get an adult child, a family member, a good friend of yours, anybody that you know who's interested in getting healthy and making some money, you can share this opportunity with, all right? Then we have the matrix commissions. You get 2.5% of everybody in your matrix underneath you, all right? And this is based off the $9.95 membership. So the 2.5% equals a quarter. And it's nothing to laugh at. I've seen people going, oh, you're never going to make money off the $9.95 monthly membership. Let me tell you, folks, you can make money off of this membership. There are people that are making thousands of dollars here every single week with this company, all right? There's people making thousands of dollars just with this part of the compensation plan. So as an on-ranked member, you're going to earn 12 levels deep at 2.5%. for a total of $2,047.50 if your matrix fills up. The earnings disclaimer is down in the video description, all right? As a bronze and silver, you open up the 13th level and have the earning potential of $4,095.50 per month. As a gold and platinum, you open up the 14th level where you could potentially earn up to $81.91.50 each and every month. And then as the diamond, you're getting paid 15 levels deep. If your matrix is full at this level, you're going to be earning $16,383.50. There will be people that max this diamond matrix out, all right? And then we have the matching bonuses. So again, you're going to get 50% of all your personal enrollees. Whoever you enroll, whatever they earn in their matrix, you're going to get 50% of paid out each month. All right, this is paid out the first Thursday of the month. As a silver, you're getting paid 10% on your first and second generations. Gold, you're getting paid 5% all the way up to your third generation. You can see the platinum and the diamond here. All right, so this is just an example here. If you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000 in commissions just on those 10 people alone. That doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people you could be matching in our other generations. I'm telling you what, folks, I've never seen a company in all my 16 years of being online change so many lives so quickly, okay? I mean, this is literally changing people's lives. We have a school teacher. Her paycheck yesterday was more than what she'd make in 2 months of teaching. All right, it's insane. It is absolutely insane. We have retail commissions, which I'm not going to get into. We have influencer bonuses, which I'm not going to get into. I've done a video on all of this before. You can check it out. And then we have the diamond bonus pool. All right. Once you become a diamond, you share in 2% of all the total sales in the company. You get divided up by how many diamonds there are. So January, the company did about 1.3 million in sales. There was only one diamond member, and they got paid $26,000 last month. Back in February, our total sales were over $3 million. There was 3 diamonds in the company now. They each shared about $23,000. So they each got a check for $23,000 yesterday. All right, and that's not counting their matrix pay, their fast start commissions, the matching bonuses, the retail commissions, and the influencer bonuses. All right, so I'm telling you right now, for a one-time $40 affiliate fee, you can join this. You become an affiliate. You're going to get a back office that looks just like this. All right, you're going to get all of your tools over here, your websites, everything you need. We have training here. Everything that you need to get started for a one-time $40 fee, and then it's only $9.95 a month to keep your membership active. Okay, so your first payment would be $49.95, then you pay $9.95 for each month after to keep this active and to keep your spot in the matrix. All right, we also have a yearly option where you can pay for the year and save $20. So that's what I did. All right, look, this is my membership right here. All right, I'm on the yearly membership program. My membership is good through January 21st, 2024. I don't have to worry about making payments. I don't have to worry about anything other than sharing this opportunity with people, okay? And who doesn't need to get healthy, and who doesn't want to make more money, right? Everybody does. So, all right, I'm just super excited about being a gold member now. Now I'm going to help my team reach this level, and we're just going to keep pushing through, all right? So if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about LiveGood, there's a link down below the video where you can go and visit the tour page. We have a 5-minute, 55-second video that explains everything in great detail. Our team is growing, folks, all right? We have there's a lot of Facebook groups on here. I have a personal, private Facebook group for all of my personal enrollees that we do. We meet up on Sundays. We have a Zoom call and touch base, and then I'm always sharing different things, and everybody in the group is sharing different things. So it's cool. It's very nice. It's a fun little community, and it's growing by the day. So anyway, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.